Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Infinix Note 50X, a smartphone that promises top-tier features at a fraction of the price. I will share to you my hands-on and first impression from its distinctive design, display quality, performance, camera capabilities, and battery efficiency. But the question is, does it live up to the hype? We'll break down all the details to see if this is the ultimate budget phone of the year. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. The Infinix Note 50X makes an immediate impression with its premium design that defies its budget-friendly positioning. Its matte glass-like back, crafted from high-quality plastic, and slim 8.2mm profile give it a sleek, comfortable feel in hand, while the striking cosmic-inspired rear panel catches light beautifully, accented by an RGB notification light and minimalist camera bump that keeps the aesthetic clean. Despite its affordable price, durability hasn't been compromised, featuring an IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance, along with military-grade drop protection for added peace of mind. Available in 3 eye-catching finishes, a sustainable green vegan leather option, a bold purple variant, and the sophisticated titanium gray model I'm reviewing, the Note 50X manages to stand out as a stylish, well-built device that punches far above its weight class in both looks and resilience. When it comes to the display, the Infinix Note 50X offers a sizable 6.67-inch IPS LCD panel with a responsive 120Hz refresh rate that ensures smooth animations and fluid scrolling. While the HD Plus resolution, 720 by 1600 pixels, and 560 nits brightness can't quite match the vibrancy of higher-end OLED displays with full HD resolution found in some competing devices, the screen delivers perfectly acceptable performance for everyday use. The fast refresh rate particularly enhances the user experience, making interactions feel snappy and responsive. For a budget-conscious buyer prioritizing smooth operation over pixel density, this display represents a reasonable compromise that gets the fundamentals right while keeping costs down. Powering the Infinix Note 50X is the cutting-edge MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate, a 4nm processor that strikes an impressive balance between performance and power efficiency. This capable chipset works in tandem with 8GB of physical RAM, expandable by an additional 8GB through virtual RAM technology, and generous 256GB storage, creating a hardware foundation that easily handles demanding multitasking, graphics-intensive gaming, and productivity applications without noticeable lag. The device runs on Exynos 15 layered over Android 15, delivering a polished software experience that's refreshingly light on bloatware, while packing intelligent features like AI-powered portrait enhancements, AI-generated notes, dynamic wallpaper creation, and the Folax voice assistant. Productivity gets a significant boost with built-in tools including a smart call assistant, document writing aids, and intuitive circle-to-search functionality. Infinix further sweetens the deal with a robust update commitment. Users can expect 2 full years of major OS upgrades and 3 years of security patches, ensuring the device stays current and protected well into the future. The Infinix Note 50X's camera delivers surprisingly strong performance for its price range, featuring a high-resolution 50-megapixel main sensor that captures sharp, detailed shots. Daylight photography shines with crisp details and natural color reproduction, further enhanced by AI-powered features like portrait mode that intelligently optimize images, plenty of details, and good bokeh effects. Selfie enthusiasts will appreciate the 8-megapixel front camera's ability to take clear, well-balanced shots. Videographers aren't left behind either, as the phone supports 4K recording at 30 frames per second, a notable capability in this budget segment. When you combine these imaging capabilities with the device's affordable pricing, the Note 50X emerges as one of the most compelling camera phones in its class. The Infinix Note 50X delivers impressive endurance with its sizable 5,500 mAh battery, comfortably powering through a full day of moderate to heavy usage without breaking a sweat. Where it truly shines is its 45-watt fast charging capability. This powerhouse technology can replenish the massive battery in no time, effectively eliminating battery anxiety. Whether you're a heavy multitasker or casual user, this combination of long-lasting power and rapid charging ensures you'll spend more time using your device and less time tethered to an outlet. Now here is my final verdict. The Infinix Note 50X is a budget powerhouse that delivers good performance without the high price tag. With its stunning 120Hz display, smooth performance, solid cameras, and efficient battery life, it's one of the best value phones of 2025. Priced at just 899 dirhams here in Dubai, it's a no-brainer for anyone who wants premium specs without the premium cost. If you're looking for a budget beast, the Infinix Note 50X might just be your next phone. Check the links below to make this exceptional device yours. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Infinix Note 50X 5G. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!